We are on our way from Cabo San Lucas at the very bottom of this map to Cabo Pulmo, where the arrow is. Now, normally you would look at this and think that we would just take the bottom green and then connect it with the pink, but that is the East Cape Road. It is not a trailer-friendly road. It's dirt, it's gravel, it's potholey, it's washboardy, there's sharp turns, there's hills, steep down turns. It's not a road for the trailer. So we're going to take the green highlighted Mex 1 up to La Ribera and then take the pink East Cape Road. Some of this is still gravel, but it's not bad to Cabo Pulmo at all. Between the pink bars here is the dirt gravel section. So everybody knows that there's wild dogs all over in Mexico. Well, the one on the left, the lighter colored one, actually has a collar. We were sitting outside last night and he just came around and just stayed. And he hasn't really left our side since. Well, last night we had our chairs sitting out and I got up this morning and there's little paw prints and there's dirt and dog hair. And I think he slept in our chairs last night. I named him Cabo.
Nicole usually gets shots like this with her drone, but since I'm out for a walk on the road, I thought I'd take a little time and capture the view. You can spot our little baby camper. It's kind of camouflaged, and you can just barely see a little bit of the truck. Give you a hint, it's right in the middle. Pretty cool view from out here.
What? Hello. Who are you? I'm gonna name you Cabo. Hola! Come, come. Come, come. Hello. Thank you. Hola! I guess no food for you, but I will pet you. Oh, they're so soft. Carly, you want to get out and pet them? Part of the road here is missing, and it's not a nice way down. There are better ways to get to the beach.
Hazard ahead.
corn tortilla. You see my donkey shirt? It's a double burrow. Hey, buddy. Somebody likes the corn tortilla.
Not sure.